Hello guys, back here in the hobby room and put the trailer away. So I'm getting ready to start on this big rig build. As I said before, we're going to do the GMC General. Nice old kit. Got decals here. I don't know if I'll use those or not. License plates. So, there's the directions. You know how all that stuff works, so we're good to go there. We get sprues and sprues. I don't know if I'm going to put a sleeper on it or make it a day cab. Pulling that triaxle dump. I'll have to see how much room I got there with the tank on the back of the truck. There's our chrome wheels. So you got frame rails and all that happy stuff. Ooh, get to paint the tanks. There's all the little tires. 1, 2, 10. One extra. Yeah, they're all there. The yellow ones, the white ones, the clear ones, red ones. More chrome. So that's what we're getting ready to start on right now. So see how this goes. You guys all have a good one. Build on, brothers. Bye-bye.